order to reduce what we call it the noise whatsoever. We can just
again,
put lamination.
the stairs designed, it's got a lip here. We can box this in to
exactly.
enclose the riser. You can climb the top of the stair. Whatever you want to do.
That's right.
I think the overall experience about the design is really good.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's your design.
And this is one of our smaller designs.
Good idea, yeah.
William supplied, UPS China supplied these beams for us. On a more lower market house, these beams would be reduced to a purling beam.
Yeah, we can replace
Which reduces the cost. Just for our own show houses, we want to show a really good quality building. They're all good quality, but this one's especially good quality with I-beams.
Exactly. For me, the most important, the first impression. The first impression is really good.
Yeah,
really,
I mean, it's a small 32. What's this, 36 square meters? I think it's
70 to totally around.
Yeah, totally.
Totally 70.
Right. So it's for a small family. It's for a young couple with just starting out. It's within their budget ranges when they take over a house. Any house you buy, you're going to develop that house for yourself. So we give them a nice bare structure that they can work on.
You know, I like your design for the big windows actually.
Well, thank you. When you have the smaller window, it reduces the light. Okay, it can reduce the temperature as well, but where this was located, we thought the bigger window would bring more light in. It's nice. It gives more open feel. Gives more space.
It actually looks more spacious.
Yeah, more spacious.
Yeah, good.
Same as in the upper level. We've not partitioned it off, but we've got again the same size of window to give the feel of space.
Right.
This is one of your advantages for your design.
Yeah.
I think the overall feelings is really, for me, it's amazing.
Okay.
You can see the floor also.
Okay. It's time for lunch. Okay. This is
wait for the driver.
okay. This is William from UPS.
Yeah, of course.
For econel system.
50% from.
Yeah, we need commission for that. I mean, this one commission.